Talk about how can you fix this problem on your Free Fire Max app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down, then you click here on apps, then you come to apps this here, and there you're looking for Free Fire Max app, or just click here on search, then here add Free Fire Max app. It's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this here, click on force stop, then you click on OK, then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. You search here for Free Fire Max app, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.